Data model. Data model is the fundamental entity to introduce abstraction in DBMS. Data model defines how the logical structure of a database is modeled. Data models define how data is connected to each other and how it will be processed and stored in the system. Flat data models are the very first data model where all the data used to be kept in the same plane. Because earlier data models were not so scientific, they introduced lots of duplication and update anomalies. There are 4 models: ER model, relational model, object-based data model, semi-structured data model. ER model. The entity relationship model is based on the notion of real-world entities and their relationship. ER model creates entity set, relationship set, general attributes and constraints while formulating real-world scenario into database model. ER model is mostly used for the conceptual design of databases. ER model is based on entities and their attributes, relationships among entities, example, company ER model. Relational model. Relational model is one of the most popular data model in the DBMS. The relational model uses a collection of tables to represent both data and the relationship among those data. Relational model is an example of a record-based model. Object-based data model. The object-oriented data model is another data model that is most popular. The object-oriented data model is an extension of ER model with notions of encapsulation, methods and object identity. Object relational data model combines features of the object-oriented data model and relational data model. Semi-structured data model. The semi-structured data model permits a specification of data where individual data items of the same type may have different sets of attributes. The extensible markup language XML is widely used to represent semi-structured data.